All right, guys, today it is a beautiful day today, and I'm here with my nephew, J3.
Nice to meet y'all.
You don't know them, I mean, nice. Okay, anyway. But anyway, I'm here today with my nephew, J3, and today we're excited because there's a new motorcycle in the family. Now, you guys know I ride motorcycles. He rides motorcycles, but there's a new motorcycle rider. And today we are going to introduce you to him, and we're also going to do an install on his bike. So here he comes now.
Traveling Tall is brought to you by Custom Dynamics, Zippers Performance, Khrome Works, Redline Oil, Volunteer Audio, and Let's Roll. We about to ride, you about to ride. For a limited time, the Custom Dynamics Traveling Tall Edition package, which includes front LED turn signals, rear LED turn signals, smoke lenses, the Magic Strobe brake flasher, and a Custom Dynamics Traveling Tall collaboration pack. There's a limited supply. Make sure you order yours today. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.
The newest rider of the family, Rodeo, with his RT200 Coleman scooter. Now today we're going to be doing an install on it, putting an exhaust. Well, they're going to be doing the install. I'm not doing anything. I'm just supervising. All right, so let's get into the video.
All right, guys, check out my Coleman RT200 mini bike. Like the grips, the seat, and the front headlight.
Do you like how it's camouflaged? And not
Yeah, I like the camouflage and the pegs.
I personally have about the same bike. It's really fun to ride, when you have two people, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think we should do some upgrades to the bikes.
Yeah, I think so too.
Like what do you think we should do?
Some rims, some tires actually. Some tires.
Engine.
I
think we could have a little bit faster and a exhaust. Okay, on this mini bike today, we're gonna install this exhaust pipe onto it for better performance and a little bit louder of a sound to the bike. Let's go.
Get into it. All right, let's take a look at it. Let's get it put on the bike.
All right, let's lift the bike up with the Let's Roll lift. We're gonna have to slide it in, then lift it up with the drill. All right, that should be good. Now that we have the bike lifted up, we need to get the heat guard off so we can put the exhaust pipe on.
I almost forgot, we need to hear it before. Sounds good, but we gotta make it sound better.
All right, guys, we needed a little help to get the screws out so we could get the heat shield off. All right, we need to take these two nuts off, and we're gonna put the brand new, better sounding pipe on. Guys, let's take this muffler off and put the new one on. Okay, let's put this gasket on so we can put the exhaust pipe on, and we're gonna get it running. And now we're gonna put the bolts on to bolt them down. We're gonna have this bike running in no time. All right, guys, we're back. The bike sounded good. We got done with it. In my opinion, it sounds very good. See what y'all think. Now that you've rode it, you think it sounds good?
Yeah.
Is it faster, in your opinion,
Yes.
on performance-wise?
Yeah.
Both think it's faster and sounds better. It's up to y'all to think if it sounds better. Both of us want to start upgrading bikes from scratch, from building it up to the very top. So if y'all like this video, like, share, subscribe, and as always, have a blessed day.